Today I'll show you how to share Wi-Fi information on your Android phone with others using QuickShare. To do this, go to Settings on your Android phone, then tap on Network and Internet. Next, tap on Internet. Now tap on the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. In my case, it's called HomeInternet. Tap on Share and unlock your phone if prompted. You can now share your Wi-Fi using a QR code so your friends can simply scan it to connect. Alternatively, you can use QuickShare. Let's test that. On your friend's phone, ask them to go to Settings, then type QuickShare in the search box. Then click on QuickShare. Tap on Receive and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now go back to your phone and you should see your friend's device appear. Tap on it to share your Wi-Fi with them. Finally, ask your friend to accept the PIN code and the Wi-Fi information will be sent to them. All done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.